it's Aislinn from Pretty Hair is Fun. This week we're going to show you how to do a twisted edge fishtail braid.
First thing we did was just give her a little rectangular part on top, and I just did a little Dutch braid just to make it cute, and we wrapped her ponytail. And I've got other videos that show you how to do those things. But for this twisted edge fishtail, the first thing we're going to do is just split her hair evenly in half, just like in a regular fishtail braid. You can tell her hair is wet because I prefer that for this braid. But to start, I'm just going to pick up a small piece from the outside, cross it over to the other side, do the same thing on the other side. Her hair does not like to cooperate sometimes when it's wet. And then just cross over to the other side, and that is your first stitch. Next, you're going to pick up a small piece from the outer edge, just like before. You're just going to put it aside. Do that on both sides. And then just do a regular stitch, picking up a small piece, crossing it over, small piece, crossing it over. Next, I'm going to pick up another piece, and then I'm going to pick up my outer piece, and so the previous one is on top. I'm going to swap, so I'm going to bring up the newer piece up and over, and then I'll bring the first piece over, dropping that one. And do the same thing on this side. Pick up the new piece, bring it over, so just basically just swapping, bringing that one over. Now I'll just do one more regular stitch. Okay, so then I just pick up another piece on the outside, pick it up, swap it with the one that was there before. Do the same on the other side, divide off a new piece, swap it, and the braid just continues all the way down in this manner. Okay, I'm on my last pieces. Just gonna end this braid. Okay, I'm just gonna put in an elastic to end this. She's done. That is our twisted edge fishtail braid with a Dutch braid on top.
Hope you enjoyed this braid. Make sure to check out all of our other cool braids. Like, always, subscribe, give us a thumbs up, and see you next week.